What's going on? It is my favorite day, unboxing day. And I have got a big box to open. So this hide here is very much the similar, almost the exact same color, although Maverick Leather Company, not sponsored. They called them two different colors. So here is that same color from that first bag. This is the different style of the messenger bag. So this was that color I got from that American Bison with stingray accents. So this hide here is from one of my favorites. This is from Horween Tannering. So I've got the Puree pumpkin hide here and 28 square feet of the American Bison hide. But this hide is a little thicker than the one that I bought previously. And because I decided I was going to be doing more bags, I wanted something with some stiffness and some thickness and some body to it. So that's why I bought both of these at 5 ounces plus. So let's go ahead and unroll some of this, because I'm certainly not going to unroll both at the same time. That's just a lot of material to just have out and about. So you've got the light here really well on the orange Puree. And this here is what they call dark ginger. The edges of a lot of hides are usually a bit thinner than the rest of the hide, so this isn't a very accurate glimpse, if you will. To look at them here, you'd think, okay, these might be good for thicker wallets, at least on the outside, but it's not the case. These are actually pretty good for tote bags and the like. Case in point, this was done with the edges of a thicker material, and so far as the bag goes, it's a good stiff thickness. And these hides are just anywhere from a ½ ounce to a whole ounce thicker than that one. So unboxing complete. I'm certainly not going to unroll all of this because, truth be told, I have a medium-sized apartment in Japan. I just don't have the square footage for that. I am getting more into bags, and I hope that you all can join me on this journey. Again, in the comments, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Right, you can't really subscribe in the comments, but feel free to like and comment and then subscribe if you like the channel. If you have any suggestions so far as tips or projects that you'd like to see me do, by all means, go ahead and make those suggestions. But I'm going to do what I can for you all. I appreciate you all helping me out, helping me grow my channel. I'm getting there. More people, more views, more interaction. And it's all because of you all, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Jay Renard, and I'm out.